If you want to add a section in Framer, there are a few easy ways to do it. The quickest way is through the Insert panel. Just press I on your keyboard, browse the Sections area, and drag a pre-made layout like a header, footer, or landing page block straight onto your canvas. It's fast and gives you a professionally designed structure that you can customize right away. If you want more control, you can create a section from scratch. Press F to draw a new frame on your canvas, resize it to the size you want, and then set its layout to stack. This helps you organize your content vertically and keep spacing consistent. You can also turn any group of elements into a reusable section by selecting them, right-clicking, and choosing Create Component. This is useful if you want to reuse the same section design across different pages. For better layout structure, make sure your main page container is set to direction vertical, so all your sections stack properly. And if you want navigation that scrolls to specific parts of the page, select the section frame and add a scroll section anchor in the right panel. That's how you add and organize sections in Framer quickly and cleanly.